Time to check on my exhaust rattle. Take it all in. It's a Volkswagen on jack stands. But is it a result of craftsmanship or a result of salt, sand, and the Northeast is gonna get you? Alright, so I got a hell of a rattle from my new catalytic converter I put on the bottom of this car. At my cousin Dusty's garage, welded up. But dang Chinesium catalytic converters got freaking oh, what is it? The little mounting wire that goes on the bottom of this thing pushed right in a cross member. So every time I rev it up, it sounds like someone's running a jackhammer underneath the front dash. So we're gonna get under there. We'll see if we can make that stop happening. Well, instantly I'm both happy and sad because you can hear what's going on, kinda. But these little tongs are bouncing off my cross member. I'm hoping I can bend them down and back. Probably can't do so. I probably screwed up and should have just, nipped them off with the cutoff wheel when I had it at Dad's. But I'm gonna unbolt that cross member there and this little cushion right here and see what we got. Can you see it? Can you see it? I don't know if you can see that moving. Only my arm, right? But it's playing us a little tune right now. A little tune of Metal O Metal. I'm gonna see if I can get in there, maybe pound something in there and try to spread it apart. But we'll see exactly how tight this thing is. Kind of scared, can't lie. Don't you hate that feeling you get when you're like, dang, I should have cut that off when I had the chance. Laying on the sidewalk. You damn right I brought it home. It's a piece of history right here. We've now upgraded to 2 pieces of cardboard under the car. 2 pieces. That's how you know you love a car. 5-cylinder Volkswagen. I'll never give you up. You know what I'm saying. Had to make a quick trip to Harbor Freight, but check this out. You get 2 of these for the price of 1. First you pay for it, then you buy the 2-year plan, and 2 years later you get a brand new one. Alright. Check out my handiwork. So I cut all that excess off. And it looks as it should, and it feels as it should. So we're gonna bolt that back on where it should be. And then I'm gonna attack the rear mount that we had to fabricate after we removed the rear resonator that had a huge hole in it. Work is never done. Don't you love project cars? Whew, alright, so exhaust rattle fixed, rubber bushings put in, the custom mount in the back, and the pulling to the left fixed. That was an absolute pain in the butt. Ready to daily. 30 miles per gallon, 5 cylinders, kicks like a mule.